Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you CBSE school teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.isf.sch.ae. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page. In this main page menu available. In right corner one of the option career available. If you click this link career you can get what are the job vacancies in Indian School of Fujairah. This is 2021 job vacancies. Principal, vice principal, section head, nurse, postgraduate teacher, science, mathematics, social, Hindi, English, Arabic, chemistry, biology. Then TGT teachers science, mathematics, social, Hindi, English, Arabic. So these are the vacancies. If you are interested these vacancies, you can apply as per the instruction. For example, if you are applying postgraduate teacher, you can click here apply now. If you click this link, you can get one job application form, email ID and your subject. Then you can message which subject are you going to apply. You can write here in this message box. Then upload your CV. Then finally you can submit your job application. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So this is the way to apply Indian School Fujairah job vacancies. If you want to know more details about this school, you can click it in the menu. So you can get everything from in the menu itself. The second one is the English private school. You can enter in URL www.teuaq.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, the English private school. In this main page, menu available. In right corner, one of the option careers. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the job vacancies for academic year 2021. So here they are given job vacancies for vice principal, teacher mathematics, teacher biology and physical education trainer lady. So these are the vacancies. Here they are mentioned qualification and experience. The qualification is postgraduate in subject with B.Ed, minimum 2 years of experience for all the job vacancies. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, job description, qualification, and etc. So, if you wish to apply these job vacancies, you can click apply now. If you click this link apply now, you can get mail your account email. So this is the way you have to apply. So you can just upload your CV and put it in the letter of application, that means cover letter. You can send email for the test school at emiratesnet.ae. So otherwise you can download teacher's resume. If you click this link download teacher's resume, you can get it here. So this is Ummul Coin school. So personal details. This is the job application form. Academic record. This application form should take approximately 10 to 15 minutes to complete. Third one is work experience in Gulf countries. Any relevant experience. There are only 4 sections to this application form. Please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. Once you have completed this job application, you can send via email. So if you want more details about this school, you can check it in the menu. You can get it from here. The third one is bhavansbahrain.com. So you can enter in URL www.bhavansbahrain.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page. In this main page, menu available. In right corner, one of the option contact us. If you click this link contact us, you can get career option. If you click this link career, you can get what are the job vacancies in Bahrain Indian School. So candidate must be qualified and trained in the concerned subject. Candidate must have experience of minimum 3 years. They should be enthusiastic learner with a fluent language and a diction with following skills and qualities: good communication skill, competent organization skill, technical skills and computer knowledge, willingness to learn more, positive attitude, leadership skill. So these are the things are mandatory for Bhavan's Bahrain school. So what are the vacancies mean? Postgraduate teacher, physics, chemistry, economics and computer science, and TGT English. Primary teachers, English and Hindi. Interested candidate with relevant qualification and experience may send detailed CV to hr.bhavansbahrain.com. So please mention the position you are applying in the subject line. When you are sending your email, you can mention your subject, which subject are you going to apply. So you can mention in your subject line which position are going to apply. So suitably candidate are requested to send their CV hr@bhavansbahrain.com. This is Bahrain Indian School. If you interested these vacancies, you can apply as per the instruction. So please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.